Stupid girls, stupid girls, stupid girls. Maybe if I act like that guy will call me that. What if I see girl? I wanna be a stupid girl. Go to Fred Siegel, you'll find them there, laughing loud so all the little people stare, looking for a daddy to pay for the champagne. Drop a name. What happened to the dream of a girl president? She's dancing in the video next to 50 Cent. They travel in packs of 2 and 3 with their itsy bitsy